Hello there, Clint Baker from Hillbilly Hippie Honeybees. Sometimes when you're inside your beehives, you get to capture a sound or something that's happening. It's very unique. What you're about to hear is something you will not hear very often at all, and it's called the growl. Some say it's the wind going through the hive, some say it's communication, some say it's a queenless hive. Tell us below what you think it is and if you've ever heard this before. Listen very closely. This sound is called the growl or the groaning. No one really knows why it happens. There's many theories, but it's one of those mysterious things. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe.